Wall Street is on the rebound. Revenue for the top banks climbed to levels last seen before the financial crisis. And that means bonuses are back in a big way.
It is aberrant and it's creating a crisis.
A little more than a year ago, some of the biggest banks were on the verge of collapse, forced to survive off taxpayer bailouts. Now their top players could receive payouts in the millions. Elliot Spitzer is the former governor of New York, once nicknamed the Sheriff of Wall Street.
It is all tax dollars. The outrage is legitimate. The outrage is because it is our money that is subsidizing these crazy bonuses.
The big banks know that people are watching and they're worried about a public backlash, which is why they're putting a large percentage of that payout in stock instead of cash. The idea is that bankers will be less likely to take risks if they're more invested in the success of their firms. The final compensation packages will likely be set in the coming weeks as banks announce their fourth quarter earnings. But according to the New York Times, Goldman Sachs is expected to pay each employee $595,000 on average. At JP Morgan Chase, the average could be $463,000.
It looks like we're heading back to the same situation, the same practices, and I think that should be of concern to Americans.
The banks insist if they want to succeed, they need to keep their top players happy, and that's what fat bonuses do. Alexis Christoforous, CBS News, Wall Street.